Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. The first step involves creating a creamy base by combining butter, sugar, and eggs. Softening the butter beforehand is essential for achieving a smooth and consistent texture. Separately, mix flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt to prepare the dry ingredients. Combine wet ingredients with milk and vanilla essence to maintain moisture and enhance flavor. Melt chocolate on low heat, cool slightly, and incorporate it into the batter. Beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then add eggs and melted chocolate for a thick, glossy batter. Combine dry and wet ingredients gradually, alternating with milk for a smooth batter. Pour batter into a greased pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Cool the cake for 10 minutes before frosting to prevent melting and ensure structural integrity.